Hi guys, so you're going to start by mashing up 2 ripe bananas with a fork just like this. Then go ahead and add 1/3 cup of melted butter and mix that in. In a separate bowl, you're going to mix 1 egg. I actually ended up getting a 2 yolk one, but I went ahead and went with it instead of wasting it. You can add your 1/2 cup of sugar and mix that. Do 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 spoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt, and then just go ahead and mix that in. Go ahead and pour all that into on top of your bananas, and once again mix that in. And now you need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and you're going to want to mix this until it's very nice and smooth. By the way, did you guys know that chocolate chip cookies used to be called chocolate crunch cookies? Now you can go ahead and add your chocolate chip and mix that in. I would save some to put on top at the end. I didn't have your basic mold, so I did use this one. I sprayed some non-stick spray on it. And I went ahead and poured all the mix in. Before I did this, I did set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I put those chocolate chips on top that I mentioned before. After cooking for about 40 minutes, this is my result. I did flip it over, hoping that it would come out, and it did. There we go. It was absolutely yummy. Sorry about the light, everyone. You're gonna want to start by cutting your apples in 4s, like this, and cut out the core parts also. Begin to slice your apples in slices like this. The thickness depends on what you like. Have some lemon juice ready, about 1 tablespoon in a bowl, and place all your cut slices in the bowl and mix them around with the lemon juice. The lemon juice contains citric acid, which is a natural antioxidant. The sun finally went away, but I'm sure it's gonna come back. I apologize for that. Alright, once you're all done, you're gonna wanna mix all those in again. Definitely do it carefully so your apple slices don't break. And now you're gonna set them all on your plate. While you do this, I would definitely put the nut butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And trust me, this doesn't have to be perfect. They're gonna be fully covered with your toppings. Now you can go ahead and drizzle your peanut butter on top of your apples like so. Like I said before, to get this kind of consistency on your peanut butter, do about 20 seconds into the microwave. Alright, you can go ahead and add your chocolate chips on there and spread them around evenly. Sprinkle some cinnamon. And go ahead and add your almonds and your shredded coconut. This was an amazing snack, and we all definitely enjoyed it very much. And of course, I did have to try it before ending the video.